Citizenship is a subject that puts you, the citizen, in a position where you fully understand the elements of the world around you that will affect every aspect of your life and the lives of people around you. You will constantly use, apply and be reminded of everything that you learn every day of your life through conversations that you have, things you might read or hear in the media, and references to world issues. The course is made up of 5 separate units. Theme A, Living Together in the UK. Theme B, Democracy at Work in the UK. Theme C, How the Law Works in the UK. Theme D, Power and Influence across the world and in the UK. And Theme E, A Citizenship Action. Theme A, Living Together in the UK, will examine a range of issues related to your lives. Issues such as migration, identity, human rights, your rights and responsibilities, and how councils work. All of these topics have already affected the lives of at least one person in this room. Theme B, Democracy at Work in the UK, will take a close look at how our government is elected and the role that you play in it. You will also learn about the process of creating a law in the UK and where the government gets the money it needs to provide for the country's needs. Theme C specifically looks at the law, how it works in the UK, what is the point of it, the different types of law that we have, criminal and civil, who enforces the law, and the consequences for those who break it. In Theme D, we look at power and influence, and specifically, Theme D examines how groups can actively make a difference in their community. It then moves on to the impact of the media, traditional and social, on our everyday lives. The majority of this unit examines how the UK is affected by global organisations such as the Commonwealth, the United Nations and the European Union. In Theme E, you will have the opportunity to work independently in small groups to research and take a specific action to highlight an issue that is important to you. Students in the past have highlighted through their actions issues such as reducing crime locally, the gender pay gap, or the need for a specific new law. Some of the actions have included creating an assembly, creating a podcast, or holding an awareness week at school. There are 3 distinct skills that you will need if you wish to be successful when you're studying GCSE citizenship. You will be introduced to a range of new facts and keywords. Then you'll be expected to use these facts and keywords when you're talking or writing about a range of issues. And then finally, you will have to use these facts, keywords, when you are developing and justifying your opinions. You might, for example, have to learn a new word such as democracy. You then have to explain what it means. And finally, you then perhaps use the word democracy and analyze its effectiveness. So, for example, some people might say that democracy is not necessarily a positive thing because it is slow and confusing, especially in times of crisis when decisions have to be made quickly. Other people might totally disagree and insist that every country should be democratic, no matter how slow or cumbersome that process might be. Your GCSE Citizenship course will last 2 years. At the end of those 2 years, you will sit 2 exams. Each exam will last for 1 hour and 45 minutes and will cover all areas that you have studied, including Theme E